Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into another Friday where we are just printing money. It seems like day in and day out. The trading is good and the fellowship is fun. And y'all come on in. Look at this. We are fairly priced, ladies and gentlemen, and we have lots of room to run. We can go all the way up to the, oh gosh, where'd it go? Hold on. Hold on. There we go. We can go all the way up to the 46.63 before we even, even think about coming down. So we got some stuff that we can move here. So point of control always is a target, but we're just kind of cruising along above the moving averages. Everything looks good. Let's see how the volume is today. Volume, I said volume is a little bit on the slack side. Everybody is on vacation, baby. Everybody's got Christmas on their mind. We are up 12 points, up 0.26%, above the 15-minute opening range, above VWAP, above the overnight high. It is bullish. Let's look at the expected move for the week and see if what we did. Did we outdo the expected move, or did we do about what we thought we should do? And the expected move, we are well within the expected move. But look at this. Next week is a little bit to the bearish side. How about that compared to this week? So that's kind of interesting. Well, no, not really. This is a little lower, but this is a little higher. It's got a tighter range for next week. So, we'll just call that kind of even Steven, baby. All right. So everything looks good. Let's get into our accounts. Let's see how we are doing. Let's go to the mega account first. You want to? So the mega account, that's the $450,000 account. Let's see how she's doing. And that one is at 455,021. Wow. 455,021. Let's put that in. 455,021. Look at this, y'all. Wow. We are printing money, y'all. This is amazing. Oh, sorry. Wrong button, Bob. Now, I know what you're saying, Bobby. You made $2,446. Well, the reason is that went up so much. Remember, our net lit came down a little bit, and the reason that it came down is because our BIL went down. But now we just got a dividend of 42 cents times 4,200 contracts of BIL. We just got a payment yesterday of $1,764. So that's where most of that profit came from, right? Was from the payment of the dividend. So we are rocking and rolling, baby. We have already made $4,970 in about a month, which is really, really good. Very strong. All right. So let's go to the who's in my house? Is that you, Beth? Yeah. Let's see. Huh? What do you mean, what smell in the kitchen? I didn't drop an air biscuit. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, so let's see how we're doing over here. So we've got 152, 133, 152, 133, 152, 133.
Can you keep that as receipt for Robinson Salvage if I can return that in?
Okay.
Don't lose it.
Okay. 152, 155, 133, and our buying power is, let's see, positions. Make sure we're just doing that one. Our position, wrong account. Sorry. Our positions are taking up $61,700. 61.7. Looks good to me. 61.7. And let's see what the VIX is today. VIX is at 12. Okay. And we don't trade on today. Now, I will say this, and we'll cover this in the Muscadine Mafia sections today, right? We did put on a Black Swan hedge based upon Tony's the other day. And I figured, what the heck, if we can do them for free. So the first one that I did, let me just show you I did. I sold 12 naked puts at 133 days, and I bought 20. So that's a classic 3x5 Black Swan hedge, right? The shorts and the long, and together makes a Black Swan hedge. So it cost me a little bit over $1,000 for that hedge. Okay, so we do have that hedge in. And what does our little risk profile look like? Ta-da! Looking mighty, mighty good, y'all. Looking mighty, mighty good. All right, so nothing to do in this account. Let's go to the other account, which is we got too many now. Let's see. We got this one, I think. Yeah. So we are at 41,782. 41,782. Let's put that in. 41,782. Yeah, baby. Fire up the band, Rico.
We're moving on now. To the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
And we are at 17. Make sure I'm on the right account. I got too many of them now. It's hard to keep up with. We're at 1742. 1742. Rough. I don't like that our buying power is coming down, or that our beta's coming down to 0.10%. And we are using how much buying power? We're using 25,600. 25,600. Is that right? Now, why is that up all so much? It was 10, 11, 10, 10, 10, 25,600. Make sure I got the right account, y'all. Hold on. I got too many of them now because we've added another account. Let's see. T0801 16 1742. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Yeah. All right. So we're using 61% of our buying power in that one. Wow. That's amazing. Okay. Oh, I know why. Oh, I forgot. We need to not count the bill. That's why it's up so much. Remember, we bought some bill in this one. So let's just get it on the right one here. Undo that one. Dang it. There. Now, so here we're using that's more like it. We're using 9639 in buying power. Sorry. That's much better. 9639. Okay. So that tells me basically that we can put on a little more bill and we can probably put on another trade. So why don't we do that? Why don't we go into this account and let's see if we can just buy a little bill, buy a little more. So we'll hit the ask, right? And you can buy 100 more shares. Uh-oh, I'm in the wrong account. Hold on. I'm losing it, y'all. There we go. We'll trade this account. And now we'll go bill. I said now we'll go bill. All right, buy 100 shares. Good. And let's put us on a micro little position. All right, so here we go. We'll go closest to 120 days. So this will be 133 days. We'll sell 2 of the 5 deltas. Here we go, 5 deltas. Move that to the mid price and see if we can get 2 of them in there. Yep, and then we'll go to the 24 delta or 25 delta, which will be the 4,500, 4,450. Let's do the 4,450, 4,400. There we go for 850 and swing better. Beth, shut your dog up. What? Don't you tell me no, woman. Put you out in the barn. That's a little sassy around this time of year every day. Huh? And we are in, baby. There we go. Nice. Now, let me go ahead and show you. We've got this other account here. So I just want to show you what we've got over here. I can get off of this one. Yeah. Okay. So we've got this account now that's got Microsoft in it. Okay. And you'll see that we have positions. We have 200 shares of Microsoft, and I want to get rid of those shares. So I sold a 1-day covered call yesterday. I sold calls on it at 372.5. So the current price is 373.5. So we'll probably get called away on those and good riddance. And then next week we will start our AIM program with NVIDIA and AMD. Okay. That's what we'll do there. But look at this, y'all. We're killing it this year. Look at this. Profit and loss $17,313. We are rolling in the money. All right, so we put that trade on. Let's close both of those spreadsheets. And let's go to our final little mega or our little Crimson account, the Bellwether account. Let's see how we're doing over here. Little account. Look at us, y'all. Just rocking and rolling, aren't we? So 12-8-23. See how we're doing in the Crimson account. Crimson and Clover, over and over. So we are at 22,962. 22,962. Yeah, baby. Beautiful. Fire up the band, Rico.
Moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
13 and 26. 13 and 26. 13, 26. We're at 12 on the VIX. And our buying power is at 7,500. Butamus. I don't know, man. I think that's a little low. Let's put a trade on. Y'all with me? Let's go over here. Put a trade on. Trade. 133 was where we were at. We'll do it in the micros. 133. Go to the 5% probability of being in the money. Around in here. So we'll do the, say, the 3,800s. Two of those. 3,800s. And we are filled, baby, for 1,550. Wow. Let's put that in. 1,550. And it was the 3,800s. Puts naked 133 on 12-8-23. So we did macros. Hopefully I did 2 contracts. I'll have to go check. Naked put 103. Did I do 2 contracts? Come on, Bob. Let's see. Build order. Yeah, 2 contracts. Good. Let's go back to trade tab. Well, let's go to the 25% probability here. So we're going to do 4,450, 4,400, and 875, and swing. Boom. 4,450, 4,400, 875. 4,400, 4,450, 4,400, wasn't it? Puts, debit spread, 133, 12-8-23. Just keeping enough gas in the tank, baby. So we did 1 contract that. Good. 1 PDS 103. All right, let's go put them in their groups. 4,450, 4,400, and then we'll show our groups. And we'll go to unallocated. This one will be in T-bills. And unallocated, here we go. We got a naked. Naked puts. And put debit spread. Beautiful. How's that look? Is our hedge on demand off or still on? No, it's still on. We still got 21 days on that. Probably should have took it off, but that's fine. Naked calls. We still got a naked call. That is amazing. Look at us with a naked call, y'all. We're up $28 on it. Rocka. So, boy, that's only got 7 days left to go. I probably should close that, shouldn't I? It's up over 50%. Let's close that call. Create closing order for 405. Let's try $4. Nope. Let's just get out of it. Come here. We just want to get out of this. There we go. We're out at 420. Let me put that in the spreadsheet. There's a call. 420. All right, so 420, we got out of that one. I can't believe I sold a call. I can't believe y'all let me sell a call. You're supposed to say, Bobby, you don't sell calls. But look at us. Did we make Applebee's money on it? Let's see. $23.56. All right. I like it a lot. Okay, so who knows? You could make buddy old calls too. Okay, y'all. That's it. We're going into Muscadine Mafia session. It is for Muscadine Mafia only, and we will be discussing the Sweet Bobby hedge, the Black Swan hedge, whatever you want to. And the rest of y'all have a great, great weekend. Bye, y'all.